Many people believe that once a well is drilled, the water supply is permanent and reliable. In reality, water problems are one of the most common and expensive issues homeowners face, especially in rural, off-grid, or self-sufficient living situations. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we are going to talk about why wells run dry, why water systems fail, and what homeowners should understand before depending on a private water supply. One of the most common problems is assuming that groundwater is unlimited. A well does not create water. It only taps into the underground water that already exists. If the water table drops, the well may produce less water or stop producing completely. This can happen during drought, increased development in the area, or seasonal changes. Another issue is poor well placement. If the well is drilled in an area with low groundwater flow, the supply may be weak from the beginning. Some wells work for years and then begin to fail as demand increases. Testing the water flow rate before buying property is very important, but many buyers skip this step. Water quality is another problem many people do not expect. Groundwater can contain minerals, bacteria, sulfur, iron, or other contaminants. Treatment systems may be required to make the water safe for drinking and household use. These systems can be expensive to install and maintain. Pump failure is another common issue. A well depends on an electric pump to bring water to the surface. If the pump fails, the water stops immediately. In off-grid homes, pump failure can be even more serious because power systems may already be limited. Many homeowners do not realize that pumps, pressure tanks, and filters all have a limited life and must be replaced over time. Another risk involves drought and overuse. If too many wells are drilled in the same area, the groundwater level can drop. This means older wells may no longer reach the water supply. This problem is becoming more common in areas with rapid development. There are ways to reduce the risk of well problems. Before buying land, check the well records in the area if they are available. Look at depth, flow rate, and water quality reports. If possible, have the well tested before purchasing the property. It is also wise to plan for backup systems. Water storage tanks, rainwater collection, and filtration systems can help provide security if the well supply becomes unreliable. Maintaining the system regularly is also important. Check pressure tanks, filters, and pumps before problems occur. Small repairs are much cheaper than emergency replacements. Understanding water supply before you depend on it can prevent expensive mistakes and serious stress later. A reliable water system is one of the most important parts of self-sufficient or rural living, and it should never be taken for granted. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.